Answer calls. When a new call rings on your phone, you will see a few indicators: a flashing light on the handset, a flashing light on the line button, and a ringing call icon displays with caller ID information. You can use the Decline soft key to redirect a ringing call to your voicemail or to a predetermined phone number. Or use the Ignore soft key to silence the ringer, and the call will follow the normal coverage path. There are 3 ways to talk to people on your phone. You can use the handset, a headset, or the speakerphone. When the phone rings, you can pick up the handset and simply start talking. If you are a headset user and your headset has built-in controls on it, you can answer the call from your headset. Make sure you have pressed the headset button to send the sound to your headset. Your phone will stay in headset mode for the next call as well. If your headset does not have built-in controls, make sure the headset button is lit. Then press Answer to answer the call. Some people prefer to use the speakerphone. Press the speakerphone button to answer a ringing call. Some people like to press the Session button to answer calls. You can do that here as well. The call now shows the connected call icon, and the call timer is displayed. If a second call comes in while you are already on a call, you'll receive an incoming alert pop-up. This allows you to answer, decline, or ignore the call. When you select Answer, a second session label displays, and the first call will automatically be placed on hold. To switch between connected calls, press the blinking Session button of the held call to swap between calls, and the other call will automatically be placed on hold. To end a call, press the Release button or the End Call soft key. To end a call on hold, you must resume the call first. Then you can hang up the handset, or if you're on a headset or speakerphone, press the selected audio path key.